Place the square paper in front of you, then fold in half horizontally. Make sure to run your fingertip along the fold line each time. Fold in half again to create a small square shape. Insert your index fingertip between the first two layers, then press down the other side to create a triangle shape. Flip the shape over and insert the fingertip in the middle of the layers to create a triangle shape that overlaps the first triangle. Fold the tip of the bottom left corner to meet the top of the triangle. Repeat the same to the other side. Rotate the shape upside down. Flip the shape over. Fold the bottom tip of the triangle upwards. Make sure the tip goes over the straight edge. By using the center line as a guide, fold the shape in half vertically. As an option, you can apply a small amount of glue to keep the shape together.